Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into AWS's latest serverless offerings. Amazon Redshift Serverless introduces AI-driven scaling and optimizations for cloud data warehousing. Offers up to 10x better price performance for variable workloads without manual intervention. Learns workload patterns and adjusts resources for tailored performance optimizations. Allows setting a preferred price performance target for your workload. Amazon ElastiCache Serverless simplifies cache management and instantly scales for demanding applications. Creates highly available caches in under a minute without manual capacity planning. Provides continuous monitoring and automatic scaling for application traffic. Offers a single endpoint experience, reducing disruptions during maintenance or scaling events. Amazon Aurora Limitless Database enables scaling Aurora clusters to millions of write transactions per second. Manages petabytes of data without the need for custom solutions or multiple databases. Provides a serverless endpoint for distributed data and query handling. Dynamically adds compute resources while staying within budget, scaling down during low demand periods. These advancements from AWS revolutionize data management and application performance without the hassle of manual intervention. Stay tuned for more exciting innovations in serverless technology from Amazon Web Services. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like this.